Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your BMW 7 Series tablet. First, ensure your vehicle is on and the tablet is charged. We'll walk through the pairing process step by step, making it simple to get started. You'll learn how to access various vehicle functions directly from the tablet, enhancing your driving experience. This guide will help you maximize the convenience and technology of your BMW. To begin pairing, first go to the main display in your BMW 7 Series. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select Mobile Devices. From there, choose New Device to initiate the connection process. Now, pick up your BMW tablet, power it on, and open its Bluetooth settings. You should see your vehicle appear as an available device for connection. If you encounter connection problems, don't worry, there are simple fixes. Try restarting both your BMW tablet and the vehicle's infotainment system. Sometimes, a quick reboot resolves most issues. Also, double-check that Bluetooth is actively enabled on both devices. Finally, ensure your tablet has at least 25% battery charge, as low power can prevent successful pairing. Once connected, your BMW 7 Series tablet offers extensive control. You can adjust climate settings, modify seat positions, and even change the ambient lighting. It also provides convenient access to navigation, media playback, and communication features. Explore the various menus to personalize your driving environment. This tablet truly puts many vehicle controls right at your fingertips, enhancing comfort and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.